Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making coconut macarons today. They are crispy from outside and soft from inside. They don't need any butter or oil to make them. We only need 4 ingredients for coconut macarons, and they are 1 cup desiccated coconut, 2 egg whites, sugar half cup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I also have a baking tray with parchment paper. Oven is preheating at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. So let's start the process of making macarons. First we will cook the mixture of coconut macarons at stove, then bake them in oven. So let's start making it. Add coconut in small pan, then egg whites, sugar, and vanilla essence. Keep the flame very low and cook it for 5 minutes. Coconut will release its oil and it will turn into thick form of mixture. Don't overcook it, just 5 minutes of cooking on stove is enough. You can add different colors in it if you want. In 5 minutes, it's thick enough to make macarons. MashaAllah, it looks so beautiful. Now turn off the flame and make macarons on tray. You can make macaron as the mixture is still hot. I'm using a small scooper to make macarons. You can make them with your hands. Fill the scooper and make macarons. You can make 9 macarons out of this mixture. They are all set to go in the oven. So let's bake them with Bismillah. Macarons are baked beautifully, mashallah. They took 20 minutes to bake. They are more delicious when they are warm, so enjoy them with a cup of tea. Also try to bake them and send me pictures of your baking.